Hello, good day. Cartagena. Introduction of the place. Cartagena is a city on the Caribbean coast. The streets of the beautiful city are surprising because they are full of color and charm, and are the gateway to South America. Duration of the trip. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights. On day 1, you will walk through the village city. On day 2, we will visit the Gold Museum. On day 3, White Beach will be discovered. Means of transportation. To get around the city you call of land or sea transportation. Activities to do. Find out the best beach in Cartagena. See the way to meet the portals of its wit. Get up a walk the story street of the city. Place to stay. You shall stay to sleep in the story center. In Boca Grande, you can get off at the beach. Typical thoughts. If you travel with Hush, you will eat the coast straight. You should treat the popular raspao delicious. Costs. You must pay for the tour package 1,100,000 pesos. Cartagena, Colombia. Very thanks.